So you might be wondering what this park is about, and if you hear some roosters or cockatoos in the background, I apologize in advance, can't control them. So this park was built by Jose Paronella, who was a Spaniard who came to Australia and bought this 5-hectare block of land in 1929. He wanted to turn this block of land into pleasure gardens. So his wife and himself spent years working really hard, and in 1935 they opened the park to the public. Over 7,000 trees were planted, a castle and waterfalls were built. People used to come here to dine and dance in the ballroom, to swim and take boat rides on the water and have picnics by the waterfall. They were able to stroll around all the trees and look at the flowers and the water, even play a game of tennis or bocce if they wanted to. Several natural disasters happened to the park, and unfortunately what's left now is pretty much mostly ruins, but it's still a fun and really fascinating place to wander around. We're super excited to do the night tour at Paronella Park. Not sure what to expect, but I think it's going to be wonderful. Dark and scary.
Point down here, lights up.
Pete's the only one who's nerding out on the torches. It's like a school excursion. It's quite fun. We all have a little torches.
I was like,
ooh, what are we gonna find? We found a giant disco ball in what used to be the ballroom. It may not have been the original one, but it still looked amazing at night with all the sparkling colors everywhere. We also found some of the ruins of the castle. And after fumbling a little bit in the dark in what used to be the grand staircase, we found the pièce de résistance.
scary story.
We were then treated to a beautiful light show under the stars with some wonderful music. It was fun having walking around in the dark with our torch like little kids.
Like little kids with light and shining into their faces.
That's probably the most fun part. But the light show was fun as well. It was beautiful and it was just lovely just sitting in the dark, looking at the lights and experiencing the beautiful music. So it was a cool experience to do. And tomorrow morning we're going to do the day tour. So
no lights though,
so. No lights, just the sunlight.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive.
Jose Paronella wanted to name the large waterfall after his daughter Teresa, but it had already been named as someone else. So he created a smaller waterfall, replica of the larger one, and named it Teresa Falls.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers.
This is a tennis court roller made back in the day, made of concrete. What they used to do is they used to get to old termite mounds and ground it into the top surface to make the tennis court nice and flat. Dad would love one of these for bocce.
Time for a little picnic at the beautiful Paronella Park. We're kind of hungry now. Are you hungry?
Yeah, we're gonna eat sandwiches.
What are you having here?
One
For me?
and two.
And what else?
Little treats with cheese, because you know,
French?
we have to. And some rice salad.
Yum. Enjoy!
Thank you.
And this is our view having lunch. Not too bad.